Hello everyone, my name is Christine. In this video, I will teach you search the internet by using Google search engine. Most computer users think of Google only as means of searching the internet. In the meantime, Google has developed a wide variety of other handy tools and programs besides its famous search engine. There is something for nearly everyone's interests. You can install or download these programs for free and give them a try. This video will show you a number of tips to help you search the internet more effectively. You will also learn how to install the toolbar to quickly find your favorite web pages. And finally, you will see that the search box can be used for lots of other things besides searching the internet. Additionally, you can create your own homepage with iGoogle so that when you open Internet Explorer, you will immediately see the contents of your favorite websites. Many people use Google as their default search engine. In this video, you will learn the following topics. First, you will learn how to search more effectively by using Google Search and how to set up your search settings. Google is not just a search engine. It also provides a lot of services to people. For example, you can use Google for calculations and conversions. In this video, you will learn how to do that. In addition, Google developed its own toolbar. It is very useful for people when they use Google's services. In this video, you will learn how to install the Google toolbar into your internet browser. It will help you search more effectively. Finally, you will learn how to use iGoogle to personalize your homepage. I hope you will enjoy this video and learn a lot. Let's start it. Advanced search options. Above all, Google is known for being the most popular search engine on the internet. In most cases, you can find what you are looking for by using Google. If you cannot find what you are looking for, or if the search results are too extensive, you can always try using Google's advanced search options. This is how you do that. Step 1. Open Internet Explorer. Step 2. Browse to www.google.com. Now, you are looking for information on visual steps. Normally, you would do that like this. In the search box, type visual steps. Then press enter. In this example, there are lots of pages have been found. The most important website is usually at the top of the list. You can open this site straight away. Then click the back button. The search box still contains the words you type. Click the button of I am feeling lucky. Now you will go directly to the top item shown in the search results. Now click the back button. If this is not the website you are looking for, or if the search results show an overabundance of hits, you can use the advanced search option by using the keywords visual and steps. Google will search all websites and pages which contain one or both words. This search results in a lot of pages. If you just want to search for the combination visual steps in English website, at the right-hand side of your window, click the Advanced Search. By this exact wording or phrases, type visual steps. Then click any language. Then click English. If necessary, you can activate Safe Search, which will prevent any pornographic website from being displayed. In the Safe Search, please choose Filter Explicit Results. Then click the Advanced Search. Now you will see that a lot of pages have been found. This is still quite a large number, but a whole lot less than the result of your first query. The Safe Search has been activated. The more you enter specific information by the advanced search options, the greater the chance you will quickly find the website you are looking for. However, if you enter too many specific search conditions, the website may not be found. By the way, if you have defined Google as your default search engine, you can also tap your search terms directly in the search box at the top of the Internet Explorer window. In the search box, you will see the Google icon. Setting preferences. If you always want to search in a different language or use Safe Search by default, you can set these preferences. At the top right of the window, click Search Settings. Do you want to search in a specific language? Then this is what you do. Click Languages. Now check the box next to the language you want to use as default search language. Now, the English is the default search language. Here, you will see the other preferences. Click the search results. There is the settings for the self-search filters. So click the checkbox, Filter Explicit Results. Then, drag the score bar downwards and click Save button. There is a message for you. Your preferences have been saved. Then click OK. Have you changed your preferences and you still do not see the web pages you were expecting to find? It is possible that these pages are blocked by self-search or by some other settings. Sometimes a website is incorrectly marked as pornographic. This can occur when using a very strict filter. Also, the language settings may not function correctly if the website contains multiple languages or if the language code of the website is not correct. If this is the case, you need to restore the default settings and try again. Google provides answers. Google is not just a search engine. It can also answer simple, everyday questions. You can even use Google as a calculator. In the search box, press backspace button until the search box is empty. Then type 9 plus 5 and press Enter. You will see the answer is 14. In the search result, Google shows you a calculator. You can use the calculator to resolve the mathematical questions. If you want to convert US dollars to euros, press the backspace button until the search box is empty. Type 500 USD in euros. Then press Enter. Now you will see the current rate. To get the correct currency, you will need to use the standard financial currency codes. You can find these codes in the quotation list of various banks. The amount may differ accordingly. You can also use Google to convert dimensions. Press backspace button until the search box is empty. Type 12 inches in cm. Then press Enter. "12 inches" corresponds to 30.48 centimeters. To close the window, click the Close button. Install the Google toolbar. The Google toolbar lets you add a number of specific Google search functions to a separate Internet Explorer toolbar, or to the toolbar of one of the other web browsers. This means you will be able to access these functions much quicker. This is how to install the Google toolbar. Step 1. Open Internet Explorer. Then step 2. Browse to www.google.com/toolbar. Then click the Download Google Toolbar button. Next, there are some additional options that you can select. Do you want to set Google as your default search engine? Check the box to set the Google as default search engine for the Internet Explorer. Do you want to use the www.google.com to be your homepage? Check the box to set the homepage as Google. Then click the Accept and Download. Now the toolbar is installing. There is a message to restart the browser. So click the Restart Now. After restarting the browser, you will see the toolbar on the top of the browser. On the toolbar, you will see a search box and a number of different buttons. You can use these buttons to serve directly to certain website categories or to a specific website. To add a button for a specific website, click the button. Click the desired option or click Open Full Gallery. If you have clicked the Open Full Gallery, you will see a number of options. Click News. Select a website from the list next to the description. If you want to add the button of the Google Maps search, you can add it to the toolbar. So click the button of Add to toolbar. Then click the Add button. Now you will see a new button on the toolbar. Click the button. So you will see a window with current information. By clicking this window, you will open the full website. To close the window, you can click the button again. If you want to hide the button, you can right-click the button and then click Disable Google Maps search button. There are some useful buttons. For example, this button will open a window with news items from various newspapers and other media. This button is Block Pop-ups. Now the button has been enabled. If you click the button again, the blocker will be disabled. This allows you to change the toolbar preferences settings. This button is for you to sign in to your Google account. Depends on your Windows settings. Other buttons may be displayed, but some are not. You may need to right-click the toolbar to enable more buttons. For example, if I click the YouTube button, this button will be shown on the toolbar. If you do not want to use the toolbar any longer, you can hide it. Click the button. You will see the Disabling the Google Toolbar window. Then click the Disable Google Toolbar. Then click OK. Now the toolbar will be hidden. Please note that the toolbar has been hidden and is disabled, but it has not been deleted. If you want to completely delete the toolbar, you need to use Windows Control Panel. iGoogle. iGoogle that you create and customize your own page. You can add information blocks about the subjects that interest you. Afterwards, you can set this page as your browser's homepage. This is how you start iGoogle. Step 1. Open Internet Explorer. Step 2. Browse to www.google.com/ig. Now, You are going to add an item yourself. Click the button to add gadgets. Now you can select a categories on the left side of the window. For example, click the News category. Under the category, you want to add the foxnews.com to the iGoogle. So click the Add It Now. Now the item has been added. Click back to iGoogle. Here you will see the new item. To maximize the item, click the button. In this page, you can see all the news are listed. To minimize the item, you can click the button again. You can move an item by positioning the mouse pointer on the title bar of the item and dragging it to a different location. Place the mouse pointer on the title bar. The mouse pointer will turn into another shape. Drag the item to the desired location. The item will be placed in the desired spot. Now the item has been moved. To delete an item, you can click the button and then choose to delete this gadget. There is a message window, so click the button of OK. Now you delete the gadget. If you select a different theme, the appearance of the page will change. In the top right-hand side of the window, click Change Theme. You can select a theme for your page. So click the button of the theme. Now your theme has been changed. You will immediately see the new theme in the top part of the page. Here you can see that this particular theme provides a beautiful background for all of the items. If you want to return to the regular Google homepage, click the button to change theme. Then choose all categories. And choose the classic theme. Now you will see the regular Google homepage.